All right, those are enthusiastic about driving, sitting up at your house. Check out these shocks right here. Now these are going to set you back for almost 4 grand just by themselves, but they're for home use and the whole system moves. So let's go and test it out, see how it works. All right, let's set up. Ooh, look at that. Friction going the other way. Whoa. Now you are going to need 3 monitors, a nice little space in your basement or wherever you're going to have. Yeah. Of course, 4 shocks on this one. Price range around over 4, a little bit over 4 grand, but not that bad. Oh, and that's not including the computer and the steering wheel. Those that are spending more than 30 or 40 grand, this is the better option. Yeah, so the shocks, this is like a home setup that you could set up, or it could be a professional too, you practice there. But you actually feel the bumps and grannies on the ground. And of course, the company, I guess, is partnering with the software too, so they could have some of that. And then the steering wheel is another partner too. So there's 3 partners in there. But once they partner up and they see the concept working, more and more people will probably be a custom part of the Evergreen. And if you don't like cars, there's obviously the Jets.